Hi guys, it's Rich Rodriguez from Million Dollar Mindset. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, for example, would be something like if you were an affiliate with eBay or an affiliate with Amazon. And to become an affiliate, I can show you that on the screen here. It's not very hard. I'll show you that in just a moment. But you become an affiliate, and if you drive traffic to their site and they make purchases on their site, you get a small commission. Now, you're not going to get rich doing affiliate marketing, but you do get to earn additional monies through that affiliate marketing that you wouldn't get otherwise. How many times have we talked to a person and said, this is what I bought, and this is where I bought it, I liked it, this is great. That person goes to that website and they purchase it, whether it be a handbag, it be a new pair of shoes, it be a new television from the store, whatever the case may be. Well, if you could drive traffic to that site and be an affiliate with that site, they will give you a small commission on it. So instead of just telling them this is a good place to go get it, tell them this is a good place to go get it and earn commission on that. Now follow me here. I'm going to get on my computer. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, I want to show you a little bit about how to set up an affiliate program. So we're going to go ahead to my Chrome browser. I've already typed in Amazon, and we are going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, as most websites are going to have at the bottom of their page their affiliate programs, as well as career moves and how to become an employee, things like that. So we're going to go down here, and in my case it says become an affiliate, or at least here on Amazon. Depending on the website you go to, it might say something like this. This is eBay's website, and it just says affiliates, where again, some will say become an affiliate, some will just say affiliate, some will say affiliate program. Now this is TubeBuddy, and it also says just become an affiliate, or just says affiliate there. And it says, do you want to become an affiliate, blah, 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 blah. Okay, you become an affiliate, submit features, and you want to sign in. So I'm going to sign in. I could sign in with Google. Let's see here. I am going to sign in with Google. It's going to have my password. Put in my password, and now I am in. And let's click on affiliate program here on the left. And when you click on affiliate program, it says tell people about TubeBuddy. Those people buy upgrades. You earn 50% recurring commissions. So that is actually pretty good. But where do I get my link for it? It says affiliate code. Choose an affiliate code that you can easily remember, and then you put in your PayPal information here. So you can make up a code, I believe. Let's make up Million Dollar Mindset 2019. And that's the year that I've started the mindset. And that right there is my custom referral code. So if I put my referral code on my website or in my channel or whatever the case may be, and other people click on that, it will link to me, and I will get 50% commissions every single time I send a super affiliate to their website. If I send a VIP affiliate, I will get 40% commissions. If I send a standard affiliate, then I'll get 30% commissions. Now these are commissions not for the free website, but for the paid website. Right now, I'm just doing the free. But if you pay for an upgrade, I will get those commissions, or whatever the case may be. So this is just something that I'm letting you know that will allow you to make additional monies on the side. Maybe small monies, but everything counts, right? This is just one more way to earn money. I wanted to bring you this information because it helps me. Every dollar counts. It goes directly into your PayPal if you sign up through PayPal, something like this. If you don't have a PayPal, you can go ahead and open a PayPal. Go to paypal.com. It's going to ask you to sign up. It's going to ask you if you want it to be direct deposited into your bank account, or do you want it to be linked to your bank account, or do you want it to be linked to a debit card or a credit card? I have mine linked to a separate bank account that I've created just for that. So I'll keep track of where my monies are at any given time. This is the way I suggest you set this up for an affiliate program. A lot of people out there have affiliate programs, and every single affiliate program you sign up for and you drive traffic to your site helps earn money. So This is just a tip for the day. Remember, do you have that $1 million mindset? I do.